Hey everybody, it's March 1st. We got a package today. I was not expecting it so soon, but it came within less than a week. We just bought this stuff last Sunday on Jen's Live from Crystal Gecko. Look what came. So, we're gonna open, show you what we got this week. Hope y'all are doing well. It's cold here in Ohio today. I have been warm all week, and now we're back to the teens. But it's March 1st. That's a good sign. Good times. Freebies.
Is that in the way?
Ooh, on paper. It's in the light, but that's okay. This is the part I like the best because I don't know what this stuff is.
Yeah, all in here.
Oh, green fairy. She's pretty. Fluorite.
Looks like it.
Green calcite. Fluorite. She's cute. Thank you. I think we have a purple one. Is that one fluorite too?
Yeah, I think so. This could be adventuring.
Ooh, we got a tower. Yeah, it kind of looks like adventuring.
Nice. Good tower?
Yeah.
Towers.
Oh. Wow. Look at the quartz in there.
That's awesome.
Again, I don't know what it is. It looks kind of like bloodstone with quartz.
Yeah, so it looks like kind of like bloodstone with the
Look how pretty that is.
quartz center.
Ooh, thank you. That's a nice tower.
That's neat.
Love it. Yay. Now, I'm not going to show one. That looks like it's going to be a gift. There's a bee. Look how cute.
Freebies.
Freebies. How cute is he? And I love bees. Look at this.
Oh, little tiny hummingbird.
Yes, very tiny. And his wings move. Look, look.
That's neat.
Oh, how cute. I love him. And a shamrock baby dragon for March. That doesn't help. Look how cute. How neat. How appropriate. I love it. And then we got one more thing, but I'm not going to show it because that might go with the other one. That's a gift for someone. So, you don't get to see that one. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 drum roll. Oh, this one has to be put together. Oh. That's one of mine. Has to be put together. Just assemble. This is my other one. Look how cool at this bee. And the purple, if you can see the purple, his eyes, and in his wing, it's glow in the dark. Isn't he cool? Oh, I love that. Another bee. Ah, oh, he is super cool. $3DB. Did you get that one? Here's my other guy. Look at dragonfly. What his cool eyes. Go ahead. Oops, I almost dropped him.
Oh yeah, everything glows too, remember?
Isn't he neat? We'll do a whole new video. Okay, look how cool he is. I love this guy.
Color's great.
I thought about him for a few times, a few weeks. She still had him, so he came home with me. Look how neat. You guys, any of this looks good to you? Let us know. We know where to get it. Crispa Gecko does lives every Sunday. 11:30 our time. Okay, this is a crystal. Labradorite.
What's that slab you got? Nice
Very
color.
pretty slab. You can see the window. You can't even see the reflection. See, there's orange. Look at that. How that glows. Well, it actually matches my sweatshirt. And then this side, that's the window. There's the gold. Look at that. I'll zoom in for you guys. That is so orange and yellow. Looks like fire. Labradorite. Another very nice slab. It was like an afterthought. I actually wanted that one at the end because I saw how much it shined. I forgot we got this. Did you order this? I think you might have wanted this one. We both get on there and we both start ordering stuff. Oh yeah, this is your garden.
Oh, garden quartz. Yeah, we'll have to shoot pictures of the flashlight with that, definitely.
There's a garden in there. They call it garden quartz. You guys know the close-ups will be at the end. Make sure you stay to the end of any of my videos to see the good stuff, and we show how they glow. This is actually sits back.
Lean back.
I'll show you in the pictures. That's very pretty. It's kind of steaming up because it was cold outside. Oh yeah, this was the... Oh, I see the green in the back of that. That's really cool.
Got a lot. Yeah, it was a busy.
That's really, really
It was
neat.
a busy garden.
Yeah, I like that.
Really cool.
I think I know what that one is.
Yeah, we did not have any. Now we do.
Yep, we did not. That's our first piece of garden quartz.
It's pretty nice.
Yep. A couple firsts, I thought.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my crazy lace pieces. And depending on how gorge they are. Oh my gosh.
Pretty gorgeous.
I was gonna say I might let go of some of these. Look at that crazy lace palm stone. Maybe I should clean my lens.
Doesn't seem clear.
You just can't see it. Look how cool that is. Very neat. Crazy lace. Have to get our selenite plate out.
Get a clean plate.
You should always clean your crystals and rocks. They all vibrate at different frequencies, and if they are around other people's mojo, you want to clear it all.
This one's got a clown face
Look
in
at
it.
that. Look how cool. You already found a face in
I
it?
already found a clown face, like an evil clown even.
Ooh, I love that. And that. Okay. Already 3 more. That's all we've got. I'm sure that was very loud on camera. I'll lower that volume. Not as quiet as the bubble wrap.
Oh, cool.
Oh, look.
That's even better.
Ah,
Even better than I thought.
big scubble.
I love how green and purple.
Look at that. Yeah, just to keep things in. Work, keys, jelly beans, mints, dog treats.
Stay organized and stay stylish doing it.
A giant sphere. Look how cool he is. I love that. Thank you. He's so cool.
Very neat. 3.
Last 2 pieces.
Cool.
I will show you the rock first. What is this?
Oh, that is blue appetite. See if I can hit it.
I'll have to do it from behind probably. Blue appetite.
Yeah, it's real translucent. Well, not real, but I mean, yes, you can get a lot of light to pass through it.
Look at that.
Nice color.
Look, yeah, it is. Blue appetite. This is our only piece of this too.
Yeah, you've got some
Big piece.
beads, but
I have jewelry and small pieces,
first
but
polished slab we bought.
look how pretty that is. Oh, you can see it sparkling. You see the sparkles? Oh my goodness. That's super cool. Isn't she neat? Blue appetite. Okay, this is unfortunately the last piece. I don't know how, but then I'll do close-ups. Look at my dragonfly. Well, and they're pretty, like, durable and
Yeah,
strong.
tough.
I mean,
Made well.
yeah. I mean,
They're not flimsy. Like you.
yeah. Like, they're super cool. Okay. Here's your turtle. You should be doing this. This
No,
is the
that's
one
okay.
you wanted. Look at this guy. Steampunk turtle.
Oh. See, you can figure out how to get his feet and stuff to go in. There you go.
Yeah, they go in there. Look.
They tuck in.
Isn't he
Oh.
cool?
Funny is that?
Oh, I love him. Look at his legs. You can see the springs and gears in there.
Cyber turtle.
Cyber turtle. Ah, he's so cool.
That is very neat.
Okay, guys, that's it. We're going to show you close-ups now. Here they are. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.